Now to breaking news. A verdict has been reached in the Rust movie set shooting in New Mexico.
Hannah Gutierrez has been found guilty of involuntary manslaughter in connection with the on-set shooting that killed cinematographer Halyna Hutchins. KTLA's Jennifer McGraw joins us live in News Center with the latest on the verdict. Hi, Jen.
Yeah, hi. We certainly did not expect the jury to come back so quickly with a verdict. And in fact, I was told at least before the weekend, but deliberations didn't take long. After closing arguments, about 3 hours of discussion, jurors came back with a verdict.
Guilty of involuntary manslaughter as charged in count 1. We find the defendant, Hannah Gutierrez, not guilty of tampering with evidence.
Convicted of a felony charge, the person now being held responsible for the live round of ammunition that killed cinematographer Halyna Hutchins on the movie set Rust in New Mexico.
So that gives you an idea of what was going on that morning.
In closing arguments, the defense arguing lousy production should be to blame for the shooting, all the while prosecutors trying to pin responsibility directly on Hannah Gutierrez Reed, the set's armorer.
I'm not telling you that Hannah Gutierrez intended to bring live rounds on set. I'm telling you that she was negligent, she was careless, she was thoughtless.
The fatal blow, a live round by Alec Baldwin's gun. The prosecutor says it's Gutierrez's job to make sure it's a dummy round.
Hannah Gutierrez should have known of the danger involved by her actions. Yeah, she knew. This was completely foreseeable. She was trained in firearms. She knows what we all know. Guns can kill you. You gotta be really careful.
The defense painting a different picture, saying the low-budget film put profit before safety, contributing to the fatal accident, and sole blame should be put on Gutierrez.
After the whole management team has just thrown safety aside in favor of money, in favor of speed, in favor of profit, you throw all of that aside because at the end, you've got a convenient fall person. You got a convenient scapegoat.
Legal analyst Neama Rahmani, former federal prosecutor, says he thinks the district attorney's office made a compelling case.
The defense, in their closing arguments, did a lot of finger pointing. They said that Hannah Gutierrez Reed was the youngest, the lowest person on the totem pole, and it was production that was sloppy, that was cutting corners, that was trying to save money, and that there were others like Gutierrez Reed's boss, Sarah Zachary, who wasn't charged, or Alec Baldwin himself, who pulled the trigger after the director had yelled cut. They were responsible.
Gutierrez could face up to 18 months in jail. And coming up tonight at 5, the legal expert tells me this guilty verdict is a win for Alec Baldwin, who faces charges in his trial set for July 10th. I'll explain. Back to you.